Ke Sorkar Jilla ha kajan mit nginingkong kalashim ya karai ban Pyndam no ya kamat ka baklut bha ka bayadei bat ka daulanong Lumpongdeng. Habakren bakilat pathai Khubor unong aiktien ke Sorkar ba wailat miki Shilla ulakentui kinong ilam ke Green Tech Foundation bakin Weng no ya kajing Shah Thngan na ba ka Sorkar ka lejubab halor kate kamat.
I'd like to inform you just today afternoon the Sinjuk of Rangbashnong from Ribhoy came to meet us in the chamber of our Deputy Chief Minister, Puston Song, in the presence of the director from the tourism department and along with the member from the Sinjuk. So in that discussion from the Sinjuk, so they have raised their concern regarding the issue with Lumpongdeng, but they are quite firm that they want the project to continue. But their request from the NA, since there are concern regarding this particular island, so they request the government that to withdraw Lumpongdeng as of now. So after hearing the concern, and then from the government point of view, since from day one we were very clear that in the original agreement that there from the government side we are quite straightforward. We have said from the day one that there will be no construction in Lumpongdeng. It will be purely experiential tourism. So that's why since we today the Sinjuk of Rangbashnong came, which are the direct stakeholder of that area. So that's why we thought, since there are concern from public, because as you all know that we are always, no doubt whatever it is, because whatever we do, we want public to support, and it is for the beneficial for the public. So that's why we thought that it is best at this point of time that we will withdraw Lumpongdeng from this project. But the original project in the existing building in the Umyam Lake, where the Orchid Hotel is there, that project will continue. Appeal to the GTF members are, because like I said from day one, because the main motive of the government by doing this is to bring the employment opportunity for our youth, because as we all know that we are facing the problem of unemployment, and as you all know that we cannot give government job to each and everyone. So that's why government is finding these ways and means to bring this this company. And Taj, as you all know, is a prestigious company not in the country, in the world right now. So that's why we thought that we will bring, so that our youth will get the employment opportunity. And then we always, and we want to make it sure that the government have no hidden agenda on this. We are very sure, very firm on that. So that's why I will urge the member of the Green Tech Foundation that since we have listened to your to your demands, and I would request you to please call off this strike. And for the people, for many of the I would say many people will say that okay, government has now have bent down, but I would just like to tell them that government is not bending down. It is listening to the aspiration of the people. That's why otherwise in the past you have seen many government where will use different resort. But we are not that kind of government. We'll always goes with the sentiment of the people.